Hey guys, making a real quick video on a 2003 S500 Mercedes, the W220 body style. It's my sister's car. It's been giving us a lot of troubles lately. The battery died. We jump started it. Didn't want to work anymore. We replaced the battery. The key didn't want to do nothing. Gave us an error message saying chip card not reading or whatnot, but I thought something was wrong with the key fob. Changed the batteries, cleaned it up, made sure the infrared and everything worked. Everything did. Checked all the fuses on the engine compartment. You have a fuse box on the passenger side.